Hello everyone, this is Vernon Lee and welcome to my simple 5-step method of video promotion. I hope you like this. We're going to get started here. Step 1 is going to be to find your content. Now it may be on Facebook, YouTube, Google, or any kind of forums. You might try Yahoo or somewhere like Warrior Forum where they specialize in internet marketing. Step 2 will be to retrieve or recreate your content. Now you always want to make it unique. You never want to steal it. You always want to make it 100% unique so that you own it forever. Stealing content is a big no-no and you will get caught. We're going to move on to step 3, which is to create your video. Now, I primarily use two methods of video creating. One is whiteboard, which is using a simple creator like I'm using here. You might use Google Slides, or PowerPoint is another popular one, or you can just use your cell phone. Cell phone's probably the easiest way. You can even buy an app that will give you something that you can read your script off of while you're recording your video. Step 4, we're going to submit it to Dailymotion, Metacafe, Break, 9gag, Vimeo, Facebook, and of course YouTube. I'll put the links to each one of these down below in the description, so that shouldn't be a big problem. You'll have no problem finding it. We don't want to just submit to one. And if you don't know how to do it, you can get on Fiverr and find somebody that'll help promote it for you. Just look around. Last but far from least, step 5, double check your work with emphasis on your video SEO. This is probably the biggest mistake I see people make, other than only putting them on one site, is they'll put some tags in there and that's it. Very little attention is made to the title of the video, which is crucial. Also, don't be afraid to use the description. It's got 5,000 words or letters you can put in there, numbers. Use all of it, man. It helps people find your video. It's underutilized. It's where you get more of your keyword in so that YouTube and Google know what your video is about. Alright, hey, take care. I hope this helps. Take care. Bye-bye.